Welcome to my studio lighting series. Today we're focusing on one of the most important but often overlooked tools in portrait photography, the fill light. It's what transforms a scene from harsh and contrasty to soft, flattering, and beautifully balanced. Think of fill light as the foundation of your lighting setup. It adds softness without flattening your image, making it an essential tool for any photographer. Meet the silver-lined umbrella with a black backing. It's your go-to for a controlled, slightly specular fill, adding a bit of edge while still softening shadows. Ideal for portraits where you want a touch of drama without losing balance, this umbrella is perfect for creating striking images. Enter the translucent shoot-through umbrella, your tool for smooth, natural illumination. It softens the light even more, spreading it widely across your subject. Perfect for single-subject portraits, this umbrella provides a gentle, even glow, making your subject look their best. The large softbox is your magic wand for creating soft, controlled light. It wraps light around your subject, providing the most refined fill. Ideal for beauty or fine portrait work, the softbox offers subtle tonal control, making it a favorite among portrait photographers. When lighting groups, consistency is key. Enter the two small umbrellas placed at equal distances to ensure even fill across all faces. Perfect for group portraits, these umbrellas make sure everyone looks their best, providing consistent exposure and light quality. Remember, the fill light is your tool for controlling shadow density and setting the tone. Whether it's a silver-black umbrella, a translucent shoot-through, or a large softbox, each has its role. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming lighting tutorials. We're putting together a complete guide to professional lighting strategies step by step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.